Why don't you make crustaceans for lunch? So that sandwich with the whiskey sauce.
Oh, that's a good idea.
What do you need?
Oh, let me think. We'll need bread, salt, whiskey. This is a very good one, but we don't need a very good one. Lemon, a little bit of tomato. We'll also need mayonnaise. We'll need dille.
Dille is
Dill.
dill. The same.
And we'll need, of course, the star of the show,
Yes.
the crustaceans.
Lekker. Delicious.
It's a little pale. So I add a little bit more ketchup. Yeah. That's the whiskey sauce.
What? It's ready?
That's it.
Oh my. That's so simple. Just a few drops.
Yeah, then we make up the sandwiches. We'll start with the crustaceans. This was about 125 grams. It's more than enough for 2 sandwiches. Make them nice and full. Instead of crustaceans, you can do any seafood that you want, like this shrimps.
Shrimps, yeah. It's easy.
Yeah,
Lobster.
lobster.
It will be some special
Yeah,
specialty. Crabs also.
Yeah.
Might be difficult for people to find, but yeah, these are just from the supermarket.
yeah.
And then
And then we'll make it look nice.
Lekker. Wow, what is this now?
Yeah, we had a little bit of sauce left over.
Yeah.
And you can use it, of course, with a boiled egg as well.
Oh my god! I get one sandwich with the crustaceans and one sandwich with boiled egg. Mmm.
Yes. Let's enjoy. I think it's soft boiled. So I think if you cut it, the yellow will come out.
Would you do the honor? Oh yeah. Beautiful.